Okay, let me move on to public comment, and I'll open it up, and we have two speakers to sign up, Ms. Richard, and then followed by Ms. Richards, followed by Mr. Zimmerman.
No, come back here.
Ms. Richard? I'm sorry, Ms. Richard?
Yes, I think it should be.
I think it's on.
Ooh, got shocked. Okay, greetings. Yesterday was Dr. King's birthday, but I guess they're in celebration all week, maybe all month. But I came to speak today because, in essence, what my responsibility is and my commitment is to human rights, civil rights, no rights, still trying to get some. And then as an active participant in trying to change the outcome of a place where I was born and raised in, which is Seattle, Washington, we innately have a problem when it comes to having the same equal opportunities that other races or nationalities have privilege over us as black people. So it's my duty to come and speak before the public, not having to be asked, but just saying something is important about the climate. So I would say that I'm still concerned about what happened to Leo Etherly on 23rd and Union, a black guy that was accosted or hit in his face. Two officers held him down, then the other one punched him in his face. So I went to the Asian Advisory Council meeting, and I was told by the assistant police chief that it was a private meeting on private property. But I said, he said the black officer said it was about crime prevention, the meeting. I said, but you didn't think a crime was committed on 23rd and Union? So that's the kind of degradation that we continuously have to confront. See, you can put a community commission together, and I'm in the community, but when you go out in the community, they say, oh, but this is private. So you might want to look into that a little bit further, okay? Because I'm not dreaming. That dream is over, okay? I had a dream. It's over.
Thank you, Ms. Richard. We'll next hear from Mr. Zimmerman.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, okay. Hi. My name is Alex Zimmerman, and I represent Stand Up America. And Stand Up America stands for ordinary people. First, what is I want to explain to you, we will talk in every day. Stop in this 2 minutes. You only one city right now who have 2 minutes. Everybody, including country council, have right now 3 minutes. Stop in this. Stop in this. It's not civil right. When you acting different than everybody, who talking? Nobody. It's number one. Number two, crime go up 8%. Is this true? Who give an answer? Yes? Property, violence, crime, 8% up. Yeah? Red line. How social justice can be, how crime can go down when you acting like organized criminal, like a mafia, stealing money and kill people? Social justice and crime go together. When economic are falling down, crime go up. Policemen supposed to be support us. Policemen union supposed to be support us. Because when you bring money to the people, crime will go down. When you have a social help for people, like 10,000 homeless every day, and 80% American totally poor right now, and 50% under government subsidy, crime never go down. It's always go up. People need food, people need money, people need shelter, people need something. What is you doing? You put $100 million in arena for basketball, huh? Or baseball. Are people dying? And who pay for this? We pay for this, and policemen pay for this. Because policeman's job very dangerous when people very angry and hungry. You don't understand this? Why? Because you're mentally not capable to understand this. It's corrupt to the bone. No, corruption, sorry. It's gun corruption right now. You're acting like organized criminal, like a mafia. You are gangster number one. Policemen supposed to arrest you first. It's very important what is we doing right now. Crime will be go up and up. Economic go down and down. Crime go up and up. It's normal. Nothing will be changed. when you don't start doing changes. We demand go home, all of it. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Zimmerman. Are there any other members of the public that would like to lend public comment today? If not, I will close the public session, and we'll move to our first agenda item, which